Life in the city can be so hard, but after dark, new energy finds me. I light up the night and live like a star. In the evening, the real me comes alive. I can feel it. In the evening, something happens that I can't describe, but it helps me to survive. It's like magic, like something in the air. You can feel it. Close your eyes now, and your heart will take you there. Notice me, take my hand. Why are we strangers when